Hi, this is Matt. I'm taking a look at CYSG, Cape Systems Group. It's a pink sheet stock. So people are saying this isn't a technical play, but I'm going to look at it from a technical level. First thing I want to do is get a trend line in. This is before today when I first started looking at this. Comes in right about there. Some key points we want to look at. Seeing some resistance right there because of the 50-day moving average at 0.00812. You can see it closed at 0.008. So it's pinned against some resistance right there from the 50-day moving average. Tried to poke above it a little bit today. Volume was good. See, the stock has a relatively high volume every day, which is good for being able to get in and out of a play if you choose. Another thing we're looking at is that the Bollinger Bands have tightened up. Also, it's very indicative of a larger move coming. It doesn't tell you which way, but it tells you generally that a move is coming. Some other things that we're looking at, you're going to see some support and resistance. Some a little bit bigger, your whole numbers are common levels for resistance. 0.001 is of course going to be a resistance level. We're also going to see some more right there at the 0.009 area and the 0.008 area, which is where it is right now. This has a little bit of a battle because it's going to be seeing some tight resistance right here from the moving averages and from the PPS. This is also getting some support though. What we'll call bottom support at 0.005. It's touched it several times over the last couple months and bounced back up. That's a good thing. So right now we're looking for volume to stay strong, and we're looking to see a pop through that initial resistance at 0.008. See the RSIs have begun a nice turn today. Strong because of the increased volume. There must have been quite a bit of buying pressure right there, and the move off 0.005. We're seeing the MACD right now still with the trend towards the money line. You can see by the histogram that just crossed over just a hair with the fast line moving in front of the slow line today. Now, I'm a fan of the PPO ADX. We're seeing that we're getting the PPO trending up. All of this, mind you, over this period of time right here, where we'll see stock is actually trending down a little bit. Same way with the RSI. Generic line right through there is a trend line. We're seeing some positive divergence, which is a good sign. ADX begun its turn up. The positive DI is turning up. We're seeing that this is actually hopefully going to enter once it breaks 20. It's entering into a trending zone. So we're hoping we're going to see this turn up, break through here, and get some continuation of the ADX up into a trend and start an uptrend with this. Same way with the MFI. We're getting them start to turn back up. This is one thing I really like about this chart is even with this downtrend that it's been having, a lot of accumulation through here. You can see that period. We'll go ahead and put that in there in a teal color. That throughout this downtrend, people are still buying. It's a good sign. The money flow is staying positive, showing people are buying. CCI with the break back up through negative 100, which is a good sign. Full stow is in a little bit of a downtrend, but kind of a triangle here in the recent past, or the last couple months. We're looking for a breakout there. The tricks, not too much going on with the trend there. We're not sure where this is going to actually go, but if it wanted to turn today, we'd see that trend line that way over the same period of time. Tricks you like to see trending towards zero. I use this overlay right here of the full stow PPO. I like to see this cross, and we're starting to see a cross right there. So taking a look at CYSG from a technical standpoint, it's looking like it has a pretty good chance. Again, again, I say we're going to look for some volume tomorrow, the next few days, and try and see it pop through this trend line. Everything else is looking pretty good. I think it's got a decent chance. This is Matt with my evaluation of CYSG. I'll see you on the boards.